All right, I want to start with Airbus because their shares have been down as much as 11% in Paris. A few things. Its most popular product taking a few hits. We're talking about the A320 Airliner. So the first hit was that it flagged a software glitch on about 6,000 jets. They said they needed emergency upgrades. Then they said, over the weekend they did some fixes. Only fewer than 100 of those planes still need a software fix. So they're making some headway. But then today they got the bad news that there is a quality issue on some of the fuselage panels that require inspection. So they said they're taking kind of like this conservative approach. They're expecting aircraft that they think are impacted, even though they know only a small portion of them are going to be affected. But it's not clear how many inspections, if they're going to impact their tight delivery schedule for the year, how many planes are affected by this. It only has about 4 more weeks to kind of scrape through to get its target of 820 aircraft deliveries for the year.
Well, that's a tight deadline. I don't know about that.
Yeah, it's not the news that they needed. It's driving the stock down the most since April, so not good for Airbus.
Another deal for Nvidia.
Yes. Okay.
Keep spending money.
That's the thing. Yes. Okay. So their shares are down nearly 2%, but then you have chip design software maker Synopsys. It's SNPS. Their share has been up as much as 8%. So yes, Nvidia invested $2 billion into Synopsys' stock. It's a part of an engineering design partnership. Nvidia purchased the shares at $414.79 each. Synopsys stock was down almost 14% so far this year through Friday's close. And Nvidia, they've been just on a roll, like you said, investing in a series of companies. They had OpenAI, you have data center operators like CoreWeave, and even agreed to invest, if you remember, $5 billion in Intel. So yes, they are spending some money.
All right, Bitcoin down again today, 5.75%. It's down a little more than 30% from its high just from a couple of months ago. How's that?
Yeah.
How are we seeing that in the marketplace?
And what it's affecting are those crypto exposed stocks. So yeah, crypto market, it's just been on shaky ground, like after a week's long sell-off. So we take a look at companies like Coinbase, ticker COI, and their shares have been down as much as 3%. You go to Strategy, MSTR, down about 4%. And then Mara Holdings, MARA, their shares have been off as much as 5%. So the Bitcoin slide, yeah, really affecting these crypto exposed stocks as well.
Yeah, before we let you go,
Yes.
Canadian mining company Barrick Mining got some news coming out of them today.
They did. Okay, so ticker B, their shares have been rising as much as 4%. So they said they're exploring an IPO of their North American gold assets. The company, yes, it's a Canadian mining company. It's been dealing with a lot of things like operational issues, cost blowouts too on top of it. So Barrick Mining, they're seeing their stock rise, which is kind of what this company needed. It's ticker B for Barrick Mining.
And gold, I mean, we're getting back up closer to its highs back. And gold's up another $33 today, just under $4,300 per ounce.
Yeah.
So it's kind of getting right back
and
up towards its high.
Silver and copper, too.
Silver,
That's right. All of the
Crazy.
metals.
All the
Silver
precious
up
metals.
2%.
Yep, the precious metals.